But if it rings too many times like this, and there you have it. So, but yeah, I mean, I'm really not talking about nothing at this point. Alrighty friends, so if you're looking to get that same beautiful color that I had in those previous clips, you're going to need these Kiss Colors Tintation semi-permanent dyes. You can find them at the beauty supply store along with the rest of these supplies shown here. Alright, and now you see me going for my purple shampoo. What you can't really see is me putting the purple shampoo into just a bucket of hot water. It doesn't have to be like boiling hot like for the watercolor part, but it does have to be, you know, kind of hot because we're going to be needing warmer water to get those yellow tones out of this here wig. And you know, it's just simple dip in and out. Just keep checking it just to make sure that you're getting all parts of the wig. This is a wig from A8 store on Amazon. It is linked below. I'm sorry you guys can't see the actual, I guess, bucket of water. I was trying a new film setup out. And yeah, but I mean, the main show is the hair. All you're gonna see of the bucket is just murky water. So, at least not murky, but you know, it's just shampoo water. So who cares, right? But yeah, so because we don't want to tint our lace with the dye, I'm gonna spray with Got2b glue. You can blow dry it if you want to dry it, but I just let it air dry and it was okay. And get your boiling water, and then from there we're gonna get the Hunter Green Kiss Colors Tintation. And as you okay, so see, I tried to do a little something for y'all this video. I was on my Spielberg with it, you know. No, I was on my Spike Lee with it, because you know, black filmmakers matter. But anyway, yeah, so I put that Hunter Green in there, and, you know, just mix it up. I used a whole bottle. And I actually ended up using all both bottles of the Hunter Green. And then, as you'll see right here, I only used a little bit of the emerald. And even when I went back, as you'll see later on in the video, I only used just a little bit, like I'm doing right here. I didn't want to add too much, but I did want some. I could tell that the emerald had like blue undertones that maybe, well, the Hunter Green kind of did have some blue undertones, but you know, whatever. But yeah, so here we are, dipping it in. Make sure you have those gloves on. And yes, people, if you watched the icy blue hair tutorial, you know I was acting like I didn't have a comb, but did not act like that this go around. If you don't know what I'm talking about, pause this and go back to the icy blue hair tutorial and catch up so you can be in on the inside joke. So yeah, you know, you just kind of want to check different parts to make sure that you're coloring all parts of the wig. I knew that I didn't get every single part, so there I go with the second bottle of the Hunter Green. Pretty much just, well, yeah, I used a good portion of it, obviously, so, and then went back with just a little bit of emerald, and then, okay, went back with the Hunter Green, yes, and then you'll see me mixing it. You know, it's just the same thing that I just encourage for all watercolor. Just keep going until, well, most importantly, until all aspects of the wig are covered. But also, as far as the color part goes, just experiment with it and have fun. That's how I go about it, and just kind of measure according to what tones and stuff you're really going for. as you can see, we got the wig fresh out the bucket, looking nice. You know, I just kind of made sure to parse through again. I had it on the wig head, you know, just to kind of go through it. And I did still see some spots that they weren't bad. Like, honestly, if I would have just left it alone, it probably would have been okay. But, you know, I just wanted to dip it in just one more time. And because those spots were more towards the top, I just dipped the wig, I guess top first, head, well, it's head, it's a head. I don't know, y'all know what I mean. Well, scalp first? No, the whole thing is a scalp. I don't know, but yeah, that's, y'all see what I'm doing. So, but yeah, and I just went back in and made sure every part was colored to my satisfaction. Okay, so yeah, that is the video. As you can see, I got my emerald hair going. I know it looks turquoise kind of in the process video. I don't even know what I want to call it. The process. That's what we're gonna call me dyeing it, whatever. Anyway, when I was doing it, I know it may have seemed turquoise. I haven't done anything else to it beyond what I did in the video. I think it's just because of the lighting. So, you know, that's just what it is, especially like when you go for vibrant colors like this. Let me know what other colors you guys want me to do. I'm very excited about this warmer weather coming. I feel like that'll be a lot of fun as far as like the kind of colors I can do. I mean, I can do any color I want any time of the year because it's me. I do what I want.
I know that's right.
But no, all jokes aside, I know like doing those brighter colors are definitely gonna hit more in the summer. So yeah, and if you have any suggestions, I mean, by all means, let me know what you want to see. Because I mean, as much as I'm making these videos for fun, I also want to grow my audience and listen to my audience. So yeah, keep me posted. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to follow me or subscribe, whatever. Or, you know, actually, yeah, follow me on Instagram too. And, yeah, period. We out here. Imani247365. But seriously, thanks for checking this out, guys. And, yeah, bye.